Good morning students, this is science video. We were doing the explanation of the chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animals. I have finished with the structure of an egg. Today we are starting with the new topic, that is amphibian. So here you will find out we have understood about the amphibians as well, but in the amphibian we have only understood about the definition. Today we are starting with the examples of amphibian and how they live life under the water or in the land. Clear? So let's begin with the explanation first, and if you have any doubt in the explanation or in word, you can ask me in the class. So it is on page number 40, and come to the topic, that is amphibians. So this students, we are on page number 40. We have understood about the life cycle of a hen yesterday. Today we are starting with the amphibians. In amphibians, the main topic will be a life cycle of a frog. We will understand how the frog lay eggs and how it becomes an adult, right? So amphibians such as frog lay eggs for reproduction. You all know that they are also laying eggs. They are not giving birth to their young ones. Clear? So they are laying eggs for the reproduction. Who? Amphibians. A frog lays 100 of eggs in water. Frog lays in clusters. Is it clear? So frog is laying 100 of eggs at one time. These cluster of eggs are called spawn. These clusters are known as spawns. Clear? इकट्ठा अगर अंडे अगर देते हैं तो उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्पॉन्स बोल देते हैं. So egg are surrounded by a jelly like substance for protection. Egg is surrounded, you know that green part which you can see is the egg, but the surrounding part of that light green is known as a jelly like substance. Clear? So when the egg hatches, tiny organism called tadpole come out of the eggs. Whenever the egg hatches, the tadpole comes out from that. Tadpole is just a head and a tail. Clear? It is not a fully developed baby, it's just a head and a tail. So the tadpole do not resemble the frog and look like a fish with a tail. So it is not looking like a frog, it is looking like a fish, just a head with a tail. Clear? They are not looking like an adult frog. They are going to be an adult frog, but before that they are looking like a fish, having head and just a tail. They even have gills to breathe. They are going to survive inside the water, that's why they are having gills. They are not having lungs. Clear? So they survive in water because of the gills and eat small plants. They are surviving inside the water because of the gills, because gills absorbs the oxygen from the water and eat small plants. Clear? Now as you can see, the diagram is given. We have to understand this diagram, how the egg hatches into a tadpole and spawn of eggs. After that tadpole comes out. Tadpole with hind legs means after some days you will see the development of having limbs. लिम्स मैंने पहले ही बताया था. लिम्स क्या होते हैं? हाथ और पाँव को दोनों को हम लिम्स बोल देते हैं. ठीक है? तो उनके पास छोटा सा एक लेग आने लगता है. ठीक है? आफ्टर दैट यू विल फाइंड आउट tadpole with 4 hands and hind legs. दे हैव 4 हैंड समझ रहे हो? 4 और हैंड लेग्स उसके आते हैं. आगे के भी 2 लेग और पीछे के भी 2 लेग. ठीक है? और छोटा सा टेल, वो जो है वो पहले से ही टेल देख रहे होंगे. इसमें भी दिख रहा होगा, इसमें भी दिख रहा होगा. तो वो टेल अभी तक है. ठीक है? धीरे धीरे क्या होता है? फ्रॉगलेट बनते हैं. फ्रॉगलेट होता है क्या है? उनकी टेल धीरे धीरे गायब होने लगती है. ठीक है? उनकी टेल क्या होती है? धीरे धीरे गायब होने लगती है. यहाँ पे उनके पास क्या थे? गिल्स थे, लेकिन वो डेवलप होते होते क्या बन गए हैं? लंग्स बन गए हैं. क्लियर? उनके पास गिल्स थे, लेकिन अब वो डेवलप होके क्या बन गए हैं? लंग्स बन गए हैं. तो फ्रॉग विथ लंग्स. तो इनके पास ये क्वालिटी भी है कि वो पानी के अंदर भी सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं और लैंड के ऊपर भी सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके पास लंग्स और गिल्स दोनों हो जाते हैं. ठीक है? और ये लोग रेस्पिरेशन जो है अपने मॉइस्ट स्किन से लेते हैं, इनके अंदर मॉइस्ट स्किन होती है, वही उसी से ही रेस्पिरेशन होता है इनका पानी के अंदर, ठीक है। पानी के बाहर इनका लंग्स रेस्पिरेशन करता है। क्लियर? सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ फ्रॉग. If you have doubt in this, you can ask. Now let's begin with the explanation of some more things. After 5 weeks, the tail of the tadpole becomes smaller and they develop to the hind and back legs to swim. It is all the explanation about the diagram. As you know that they have the tail, and after some days the tail vanishes. Clear? So they have the hind legs and the back legs to swim. Soon and 4 front legs appear along with the small tail. This stage is called froglet. Now the small tail, as you can see, there was a large tail over here. After some days you will see the small tail is there, but the fully developed frog is there. This stage is known as froglet. Clear? Finally, the tail disappears and froglet transform into frogs. After some days you will find out that tails vanishes and a frog fully developed comes from the froglet. The frog jumps out of the water onto the land to eat insect and breathe through lungs. Frog is eating now insects after fully developed, and they come out of the water and they eat insect on the land. Clear? They breathe through the lungs. When it get back in water, it breathe through the skin. I told you that they have the moist skin, that's why they are getting oxygen from the water. So in the water they are breathing through the skin, and in the on the land they are breathing through the lungs. Make it clear. This complete change from young form tadpole to an adult form is called metamorphosis. So as you know that we have understood about the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is that process where the young form changes into an adult form, is known as metamorphosis. Clear? यहाँ से शुरुआत किससे हुई थी? टैडपोल से। धीरे धीरे वो डेवलप होते होते कहाँ तक आ गया? फ्रॉग तक बन गया। तो ये पूरा जो प्रोसेस होता है वो क्या होता है? मेटामॉर्फोसिस का प्रोसेस है। क्लियर? नाउ देयर इज अ बॉक्स गिवन ओवर हियर. डिड यू नो देयर आर 3 frogs that lay egg in the frothy liquid created by them. These egg hatch and the tadpole fall in the water below the tree. कभी देखो होगा पानी के आसपास ट्री लगे होते हैं, तो वो ट्री क्या करते हैं? ट्री के ऊपर वो फ्रॉग होते हैं, कुछ ट्री फ्रॉग्स कहलाते हैं। वो ट्री के ही ऊपर रहते हैं और वो फ्रॉथी सा लिक्विड देते हैं। एक झाग वाला जो लिक्विड होता है वो रिलीज़ करते हैं, और वही लिक्विड धीरे धीरे उस पेड़ से पानी के अंदर गिर रहा होता है, और वही जो फ्रॉथी लिक्विड है वो क्या होता है? वही एग के ही फॉर्म में होता है, ठीक है। और उसे पानी के अंदर फिर वो हैच करते हैं। क्लियर? तो उनको हम ट्री फ्रॉग बोलते हैं। ये जो रिप्रोडक्शन होता है वो कहाँ होता है? ट्री के ऊपर होता है। क्लियर? So this is all about frog, and I hope you all have understood about the features of those amphibian, how they get the respiration on the land and in the water. If you have any doubt in this amphibian topic, you can ask me in the class. Thank you so much.